Hello, welcome back to my channel. You may also see this on Instagram. We'll see if I can get that formatted to fit over there as well, but I wanted to open up a package, an order that I placed with just Starkey. This is, I think it was called like a Fiesta box. She contributed to maybe like a planner event in another state, of course, because there's never any planner events in Arizona, but I was really curious about what the contents would be. Sounded super fun because I am of Hispanic heritage. I am Mexican, and so I thought it would be kind of fun to see what this whole Fiesta planner box would be. So first thing I see here is a card. It says this calls for confetti. It says, Stacy, I hope you enjoy the Fiesta box. I took inspiration from different parts of the beautiful Hispanic culture. I think you'll find this colorful box fun and can't wait to see how you use it. Love, Chrissy. I'm super excited to see it, and I love the card. It's so festive. Okay, so a lot of confetti in here. I'm going to, I don't know, I guess take out all the contents, and let's move this aside, and then we'll open up one item at a time. So first thing up, really beautiful packaging. I like the really bright tissue paper. All right, so the first thing you get is a washi card with some beautiful washi. I love these colors. I love the grid pattern on these. I don't think I have these colors, so I really like that. Okay, let's see. This one's kind of soft to the touch. I think I know what it is. It is a drink koozie. So fun. So it says Fiesta like there's no mañana. That's so cute. I love that. So pretty. I love that. Okay, let's see. Got a blue package here. Feels like opening some Christmas presents. All right, looks like we've got some die cuts. See if I can figure out where to open it. Oh, wow. That's so cute. It looks like tile. That says Fiesta. Inhale tacos, exhale negativity. Super cute. No problema. And then her marketing card there. I love those. Those are so pretty. All right, this one feels like sticker sheets. Let's find out. I was hoping I wouldn't have to tear it all open. Let's see if I can slide it out. Excuse the cough. I'm getting over a cold. The cough is always the last one to go. Okay, we've got some stickers. So I'll pack a llama, and there's a little die cut that matches that. So cute. You got some coloring cacti. Fiesta tribe. Those are so cute. I love that. And then you've got some icon stickers of ingredients to make guacamole. Now, okay, remember I said Mexican American. I do not fluently speak Spanish. I've lived in America my whole life, born and raised here, and my parents did not teach me Spanish, so there's that. But these are so cute. I love that. Ole all day. And that's what I was thinking. That these stickers here remind me of a Mexican sarape or poncho. So that has the same icons design there. And I love the guitar. So I still have a sticker set from, oh, I can't remember the name of the company, but it's themed on the Disney movie, or maybe it's Pixar, Encanto. These would match really, really, really well. So spicy cacti, planner, Fiesta. Oh my gosh, this is probably my favorite. I love the little planner supplies. So cute. And then confetti, like confetti. And then party paper. Oh, Chrissy, I love these. You did an amazing job with these. Wow, I really love this set. Okay, got a couple more items in here. This one's kind of soft too. I saw a sneak of the drink koozie, so I knew that was coming. What is this? Oh wow. I think this is I think like a planner charm. So you would probably string this around the planner, and then this would be hanging out. I don't know if I have a classic nearby that I wouldn't knock everything over. Let's see. Okay, so this is not my current planner. I'm actually using something else. But yeah, you would slide it over. It actually would fit a big too, but then it could like hang over the side. Very cute. I'd even like to tie this maybe like on a tote bag or something like that. I love it. Okay, let's put this aside. And let's see, I think I have one more item in here with lots of confetti dropping everywhere. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh, and it has my name. Oh, I love it. That is so cool. Look at that. Chrissy, you are amazing. You're so creative. So fun. Oh my gosh. I really love this. I'm so impressed. She's so talented, creative, really good vision for curating collections, product. She's just doing so many things, and I'm so happy to call her a friend and to be able to support her shop. So I don't know if she still has any of these available, so go look, go take a look at her shop. She is looking for a new PR team. My term ended a couple months back, but I'm so happy to continue to be able to support her and support her shop, call her a friend, and just really cheer her on and share the things that she's creating. So if you like this set, go take a look and see if she has it, because it's so good. I love it. I don't have the price point for you. I don't really remember the cost, but I think it was pretty reasonable and definitely worth it for, I mean, what did I get here? I've got 3, 5, I think you get 10 sticker sheets. Might be 2 sticking together, but I think that's 9. Excuse me. 9 sticker sheets. Totally worth it. With your die cuts, this planner bag, absolutely, totally worth it. So, Chrissy, thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Please give me a follow on Instagram, like this video, subscribe, stay tuned. I have a lot of unboxings to do. I love recording them. I think that people like watching those. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye.